Watinda njukaniriro ya kimierio gatagati ka maseneta bunge-ini ya Senate umuthi hindi ya mutaratara wa kwaririria njira iria kuhuthika guthurima gavana wa Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru kurumirira kuhagurwo gwake ni bunge ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga kiumia kihituku na mithingi ya kungumia kigina kia muingi wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker.
Ndugamano ikiyumiria gatagati ka maseneta aria mekunyitaga mbaru kumbwo gwa kamiti ya maseneta 11 guthurima gavana Waiguru na aria mekureganaga na mutaratara uyu kaimana na kwendekithia bunge yothe ya Senate gathurima gavana Waiguru.
Order, members. Order. Take your seats.
Aria mekunyitaga mbaru kumbwo gwa kamiti makiuga ni kuruta mweke mwega kuhotithia maseneta guthurima mateta mothe magumeire gavana Waiguru ukiringithanio na bunge yothe iria maugite no yage ihinda riganu guthurima mateta mothe magumeire gavana uyu.
Only a committee will be able to give the people of Kirinyaga justice. Only a committee will be able to guide us for all future impeachments, so that when we are punishing somebody, let us not be selective, but be objective.
If we really think that Senate is useless, why do we do those other important functions through committees? I believe that members of the Senate who have been appointed to those committees are people who have merited being in Senate.
Kamiti ino na kuri uguo ni kuruhanitio na gukorwo yubitwo na mubango wa kuhonokia gavana Waiguru kumana na mutaratara uyu wa kumuhagura. Undu umwe na gukorwo na mweke munene wa kamiti ino kuingirirwo hari gukinyaniria itua riayo ria muthia. Guku amwe mekwendekithagia kuhuthirwo bunge yothe kumuthurima ta uria kwahanikire hindi uria wari gavana wa kaunti ya Kiambu Ferdinand Waititu.
But if the committee finds there is no incriminating evidence against the governor, that's the end of the matter. Mr. Speaker, and that is why Kirinyaga people are crying out to this House. Mr. Speaker, I am not saying that there will be no justice if the matter goes to the committee. But Mr. Speaker, justice is done. But justice should be seen to be done.
Mothe maya kenda kamiti ya maseneta 11 yahitukio guthurima mateta maria magumeire gavana Waiguru na gukindira kuhagurwo gwake kana gutianiria mutaratara uyu wa bunge ya county. Netemania ripoti yayo ya muthia bunge-ini ya Senate thiini wa thiku 10 icukite.
We are not seeking vengeance.
Ameba kamiti ino magukorwo ari Senator Paul Githiomi wa county ya Nyandarua, Cleophas Malala wa Kakamega, Senator wa Guthukio Beth Mugo, Moses Kajwang wa Homabay, Judith Pareno na Beatrice Kwaboka a Guthukio, Stewart Madzayo wa Kilifi, Anwar Loitiptip wa Lamu na Game. Ngirifuatara Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.